Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Grow a Garden in Roblox. I'm going to show you the seed timings, the gear shop, the cell shop, the seed shop, the cosmetic shop, and the pet egg shop. And I'm going to show you guys my garden and how to sell your plants. Anyways, now come to the gear shop for some daily quests if you want flower seed packs. The flower seed packs are very rare, and then you can get rare seeds that are barely in stock. You have to complete 3 quests and they reset every 20 hours. You get 2 seed packs instead of 1. So these are the pet eggs. The common egg is always in stock. You can get a Labrador, a dog, and a bunny for 50,000 shekels. And then to this old man, talk to this old man who's the pet salesman. You can sell your pet, know its worth. You can ask how your pets get older and your pet info. And then I'm gonna show you guys the bee station, because the bee station is actually very important. So every 1 hour you play, the bees come and pollinate your garden, and then there are specific fruits that they pollinate, and then you put them in that grinder, and then it gives you honey. You can either craft it to get 2 flower seed packs, or either trade it with the queen bee for 1 flower seed pack. Anyways, now I'm gonna be showing you guys my garden. Yeah, I have mango, there's cactus, there's bamboo, there's apple, there's blueberry, there's strawberry, there's corn, there's coconut, it's just a lot. There's pumpkin, there's watermelon, and then you collect as much fruit as you can, harvest it, and sell your inventory, and then you get the worth of the and then you get the money. And now I'm going to show you the seed shop. There's carrot seed, strawberry seed, blueberry seed, and tomato seeds are always in stock, and these are barely in stock because they're very rare, they're divine, they're prismatic, they're mythical, and they're legendary. As you guys can see, I have beanstalk because I played in a specific order to get it. Comment down below if I should make a separate video on it. Here are other people's gardens. You can also trade with other people. For example, if I give someone my mango, they'll give me their huge prismatic coconut. Anyways, guys, now I'm going to be showing you guys the gear shop. I did go to the gear shop, but I showed you guys the daily quest. This time, I'm going to show you the real gear shop. Let's go, guys. Anyways, you click on talk and show me the gear shop button, and then they show you the gear shop. It also resets with the seed shop. There's a watering can which helps your plants grow much better. There's a trowel to move. There's a recall wrench. There's a basic sprinkler and advanced sprinkler. There are many other gear items, but they're very, very expensive. They're either 1 million or 3 million or 5 million shekels. Anyways, then come to the cosmetic shops to buy decorations for your garden. You can get entrances, lanterns, benches, and everything. Here are eggs, which I already showed you guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if I should make more videos like this. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.